All right, guys, welcome to another Friday project roundup. Just gonna give a quick update on the projects, where they're at, what's planned next. So, we're in front of the Jag right now. The Jag is back on the road. It's still got a power steering fluid leak. It's dirty, it's parked by the berm. We did get the passenger right tire fixed. There was a nail in there. So now it's holding air pretty well. Next project planned is front shocks. We're getting a pretty good clunk over bumps. So we're going to change the shocks first. May snowball into more suspension stuff. The IS still sitting here. Been sitting here all winter. Been doing a little farm truck action. Got a tarp in the back. I was hauling some stuff in the back. That's why it's looking all rally style, dirty tires. Again, we got another leaker, passenger side tire. Gotta get that sorted out, obviously. I am struggling to find a wagon rear door. Looking on carparts.com, there was one in Grand Rapids, Michigan. I didn't make the trip up there to get it, and now it's gone. That was the closest one to me. The next closest junkyard on carparts.com with a wagon door is down in Mississippi, so I'm not really sure where I'm going to source a wagon rear door. It opens, there's no pinch points, it's just dinged in pretty good. Let me know in the comments what you think, whether I can just repair that or keep looking for a replacement. Still dirty, obviously. Hasn't been on the road officially yet. Let's look under the hood. In the last video, you saw the smoke when we pulled up. And if you take a closer look, you see a lot of oil. A lot of oil in this engine. So maybe that smoke was just oil burning off. That's what I'm hoping. I was talking to someone. They were saying it could be clogged up cats, but not sure on that yet. All right, let's keep going. Got the work truck, Tundra. Still needs AC compressor done. Still need to replace my roll-up tonneau. And then still need to replace my tailgate latch. I'm going in there now and pulling both sides. All right, let's keep heading back. We still got the junk Scion holding it down way back here. Blown engine, trailered it here, and it's been sitting ever since. I need to try to crank it over to see what's going on with the quote-unquote blown engine. Is it a head gasket? Is it locked up? Is it knocking? I know it's not great to not know, but I really don't. I had pulled the starter out to troubleshoot a different Scion we had, and I actually pulled out the negative battery terminal. So I need to put that back in and try to crank this thing over. See what's really good. Interior is still dry, thank God. I had pulled out the fuel pump out of here. part of troubleshooting that other one. Manual, dirty, typical. All right, guys, so that's all that's going on. Friday Project Roundup. You might see the next video on the Jag repair.